Hi everyone, Ravi this side. Welcome to EnggAdda. Today in this video we are going to see how we can terminate or permanently delete the EC2 instance which are being created in the AWS console. Okay, so this is what we are going to discuss in this video. In the previous video we have discussed how to create a EC2 instance. This video will see how to delete or terminate the EC2 instance. So let me try to go to the AWS console, and if you will come here to the services, and if you'll go to this EC2, you will find this EC2 dashboard, and there it will show what instance you are having and what is the key pairs you are having, security groups, volume. So the statistics of this key terms are being shown here on the EC2 dashboard. So you can see in the instances we have one instance up and running. So if you'll go to this instance, you will find that we have only one instance which is name is test_instance, and this state of this instance is stopped. So this is not running as of now, but this is consuming the space from the AWS. This is not running, but this is still consuming the space from the AWS. Okay, so if you are not using this instance, then you should permanently delete this instance or terminate this instance. So how you can do that? So let me try to show you those things. Okay, so you can see this is the instance we have, and if you'll go to the dashboard, these are the statistics of the instance that we have created. In the instance we have one, volume we have one, and in the key pairs we have one, and security groups we have two. By default, this EC2 provides one security groups. So this is for the additional one is for the instance that we have created. Okay, so how we can delete the EC2 instance? So if you'll go to this instances, and if you'll select this instance, or if you'll go there to this instance state, you can find this terminate instance. So directly you can terminate here, but I will suggest that first of all go to this EC2 dashboard and try to delete all these things one by one, and then try to delete the instance. So let me try to delete the key pairs first. So let's say select this key pairs and try to go to the action and delete this. Okay, so you have to type this delete here in order to delete that. So just type delete and then press the button delete. So this is deleted. You can see this successfully deleted one key pairs. Now again go to the EC2 dashboard and refresh this. It will take few seconds or few minutes or few hours of time to reflect here. So as of now you can see we have deleted this key pairs. Now go to the security groups, and this is the security groups that I have created for my EC2 instance, and this is the default one provided by the EC2. So just delete this launched wizard one. And how you can delete? Go to the action and you will find this delete security groups. Now just will not be deleted. Okay, the following security groups cannot be deleted. They are either default security groups reference. Okay, let me try to cancel it and come here. Let me try to go to the security group first and then see. Okay, so this is not the one that I have. It is being created when we have created the EC2 instance. I think we have to come. Let me try to go there and then see. I think this is the one. Okay, so let me try to delete this. It is showing default, but yeah, let me try to show you how you can delete it. Okay, so this is also not being deleted. Don't worry, just select this one again and try to delete. So here you can see the reason why it is not being deleted is one network interface associated with this. So before going to delete this, you have to delete that network interface. So let me try to come here to the EC2 dashboard and go to this volume and try to delete that volume first. So just select this, go to the action and delete the volume. Now this is deleted. Now let me try to again go to the EC2 dashboard and refresh this page and then see. Okay, the volume is still there, but if we'll refresh it, I think it will take few seconds or few minutes. Now let me try to again reattempt to delete this security groups. So come here and delete security groups. It's still not deleted. Okay, no problem. Go to the EC2 dashboard and just go to this EC2 instance that we have created. Select this out and try to terminate it first, and then see how it is being done. So just terminate it. You can see it is successfully terminated. Now go to this EC2 dashboard and it will take few minutes or few hours to reflect here that this EC2 instance is being deleted from your console. So don't worry on that. Just refresh this page and now we will try to delete the security groups and the volume. So come here to this volume first and select this out. And you can see this delete volume. So just delete it. And it is being deleted from here. Now again go to the EC2 dashboard and refresh this page. And this time you can see the volume is being deleted. Don't worry on the instances. It will take few hours to reflect here. Now go here and select this out. And then just delete the security groups. Now you can see this is being enabled. So you can delete this out. So just delete it and you can see this successfully deleted. Now go to the EC2 dashboard again and refresh this. And this time you'll find it here 1. And you can see the volume also been deleted. So everything has been deleted. Now only the thing is you can see this instance is 1. But in few hours it will be reflecting here. Instance will be 0. Because if you go to the instance you won't find any instance here, right? It is being like you can find the instance, but it is being in the terminated state. Okay, so it will take few hours to reflect from here. Okay, so after few hours you can check and you can tell me that how it is being shown in your side. Okay, so it will take few hours and it will reflect the instance to 0 once it is successfully terminated. So this is how you can delete your EC2 instance, or you can terminate your EC2 instance in the AWS console. This is about the video, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel for more such content. Thanks.